All right, so here's chapter 12. Our first word is officium, officii, and it is neuter. And let's just make sure we know that it's second neuter. Okay? It can mean duty. Sometimes you might see office. Okay, but it's talking about like the office of the consulship or whatever. It's not talking about like Jim and Pam. Okay. Next is orbis, orbis, and this is masculine and it means circle. This one is third masculine feminine. And because we have the nominative singular and the genitive singular the same, this is an I stem. Okay. Next is sententia, sententiae, and this is opinion or point of view. Okay. Sors, sortis is feminine and it means lot. Okay, like a parcel, okay? Not, I had a lot of pizza last night. Okay. And this one is third masculine feminine. Let me fix that. I make that look better. Okay. Third masculine feminine. And this one, because you have RS and then RTIS, this is also an I stem. Okay. Also on sententia, sententiae, silly me, I left off discussion about the declension. It's first. And then our last noun is space, spei, which is feminine, and this means hope. Okay. This one is fifth declension. If you want, you could say fifth masculine feminine, but there is no neuter for fifth declension, so we could just say fifth. Okay. Carus, cara, carum, this means dear. Okay. This is not the same spelling as like Bambi. This is not, dear Miss McConaughey, I failed my test today. This is my dear brother or my dear sister. Okay. Our verbs, kind of short. We have inquiunt. Okay, and it does tell you that this is the plural of inquit, which we saw back in Latin 1 and in Latin 2. And so this is going to be they say. And so you should know only introducing direct speech. So what does that mean? Okay, direct speech is when we have quotes. All right. Also, this is, and I ran out of room. This is an irregular / impersonal verb. So there's no conjugation here. So that's kind of nice. Now we have morior, mori, mortuus sum. This means to die. Okay. So this is deponent. And it's also third IO. Okay, and we know that because we have IOR and then just an I on the second principal part. Probo, probare, probavi, probatum. This is to approve. Okay, and this one is first conjugation. We have O and we have ARE. And then our last verb is related to space, the noun. And we have spero, sperare, speravi, speratum. And this means to hope. And this one also, first conjugation. Again, O, ARE. All right, so now we have a bunch of words that can cause confusion. Okay, and so that's why they're on here. Is we are now in Latin 3, and it's time to make sure we know what some of these words mean. Okay, nimis is too much. Quidem is going to be indeed. And then we've had tamen before, however, or nevertheless. Now, this is kind of giving away something that you are learning in Chapter 12. When you have cum and a pluperfect subjunctive verb, cum means after. Okay. Nisi is the negative form of si, which means if. Okay, so this is if not or unless. Okay. All right, I always like quam quam. Quam quam means although. Sadly, quam vis also means although. Look at all these althoughs. All right, quia is because. Okay, now quod, we have seen as an not interrogative, as a relative pronoun. Pronoun means which. Okay, and in order to be a relative pronoun, remember it has to have something that it's a noun that it's kind of working with. So if you have quod and you can't figure out what it's working with, quod is going to mean because. Okay, and then our last little phrase is orbis terrarum, and this means the earth or the world. Okay. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you soon.